as shown. If oxygen is required in case of decompression, masks like these will drop down automatically from the overhead panel. Quickly pull one mask towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Then assist passengers beside you to use the oxygen masks. In the unlikely event of landing on water, you will be required to use the life jacket. Life jackets are located at under the seats in economy class and lower part of handrest of executive class seat. To wear the life jacket, place it over your head and secure the two straps like this. Pull the straps firmly to secure. To inflate, pull the two red toggles firmly downwards. It can also be inflated by blowing air through these tubes. This light comes on automatically when it is in contact with water. Inflate your life jacket only when instructed by the crew before leaving the aircraft. All emergency exits are clearly marked. Please look around to find the exit nearest to you. In an emergency evacuation, illuminated seat-mounted lights will indicate the way to the exit. For more information, please read carefully the safety instruction cards kept in your seat pockets. Please ensure that your hand baggage is secured in the overhead bins. All the electronic devices must be switched off during takeoff and landing, and the use of mobile phone is strictly prohibited at any time during flight. Smoking is fully prohibited any time during flight, including the toilets where smoke detectors are installed. Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seat belt is fastened, your seat back is at upright position, your tray table is stowed.
Cabin crew, takeoff stations.
Thank you for your attention.